Hey, this is Martin from Three Crazy Chickens, and I'm trying this again. This is the Evertides Mall Mayhem Challenge. See how many voxels I can destroy in 60 seconds. I have done a little bit more planning this time. I've set some things up around there. My plan is to start this side, use my 24 bombs. By the time I get around the other side, I can use my pipe bombs and my rocket launcher to inflict a bit more damage. So this is going to be hopefully a speed run, and starts once I've destroyed 1,000 voxels. I think we're ready. Are we ready? Let's go. Okay, time started. Uh-oh. Okay, right. Let's change to rocket launcher. It's not been a bad start so far, but we've got a lot to do. Come on. Come on, we're gonna get that 5 stars, we're gonna get that 5 stars. Come on. We got 5 stars. Okay, we've time to spare. Let's pipe one. This is where I die. What else have we got? Oh, we've got some more rockets. And we've even got one we can fire over the roof. Oh no, we've done it. Shotgun. Did I get that in time? I think I did. Boom, 5 stars.